Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace a broken Bleedline fitting on your circulation pump with the 77427 Bleedline fitting. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: hose cutter tool, pliers, large Phillips head screwdriver. Parts you will need: Bleedline fitting, 1/4 inch coupling, 3/4 inch tubing, 1/4 inch tubing, and 3 spring clamps. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spot. Step 2. Drain the spot. Step 3. Open the equipment door and find the 90-degree elbow located just above the outlet hose of the circ pump. Notice the broken Bleedline nipple. Cut the existing 1/4 inch Bleedline hose a few inches above the break. Place a 1/4 inch clamp on it. Step 4. Cover the 1/4 inch barbed coupling with silicone grease. Step 5. Insert the barbed coupling into the new Bleedline hose as far as you can. Step 6. Measure and cut the new 1/4 inch Bleedline hose. Step 7. Insert a large Phillips head screwdriver into the existing 1/4 inch Bleedline hose as far as you can to enlarge the opening. Step 8. Insert the 1/4 inch barbed coupling into the existing Bleedline hose as far as you can and secure both hoses to the coupling with 1/4 inch spring clamps. Step 9. Loosen the 3/4 inch hose clamps from the existing Bleedline fitting and heater inlet hose. Disconnect the old Bleedline fitting from the circ pump and disconnect the hose from the heater. Step 10. Place a hose clamp on the new 3/4 inch tubing. Cover the inside edge with silicone grease and connect it to the heater inlet barbed nipple. Secure it with the hose clamp. Step 11. Measure and cut the 3/4 inch tubing going from the heater inlet to the Bleedline fitting. Step 12. Cut another short piece of the 3/4 inch tubing going from the circ pump outlet to the Bleedline fitting. Cover the barbed nipple with silicone grease and connect the hose to the Bleedline fitting. Step 13. Connect the Bleedline fitting to the circ pump outlet. Secure the hoses with 3/4 inch spring clamps. Step 14. Measure and cut the 1/4 inch Bleedline hose to the desired length. Cover the Bleedline nipple with silicone grease. Connect the hose to the 1/4 inch Bleedline nipple and secure it with a hose clamp. Step 15. Place a spring clamp on the 3/4 inch hose. Measure and cut the hose to the desired length. Cover the inside with silicone grease and connect it to the Bleedline fitting and secure it with a hose clamp. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.